혹시 내 동생 보았어? What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is Hoksi. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word Hoksi. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 135. Hoksi. Hoksi. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is hok, the second syllable is shi. Pronounce it with me. Hoksi. Hoksi. The word Hoksi is used to say perhaps or by any chance, and this is usually used for inquiry. How do we spell Hoksi in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable Hok in Hangul, we need to draw first a Hiyo character, followed by an O character, followed by a Giyo character. For the second syllable Shi, we need to draw first a Siyot character, followed by an E character. And then, we just have to combine this to form the Hangul of the word Hoksi. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of Hoksi, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, by any chance, have you seen my younger brother? The Korean translation of this sentence is 혹시 내 동생 보았어? The first part of the sentence is 혹시, which is our word for today, and this is used to say by any chance. The second part of the sentence is 내 동생. 내 means mine and 동생 means younger brother. So this combined would result to a phrase that means my younger brother. The last part of the sentence is 보았어. In English, it means saw or the past tense of seeing. So if these three parts are combined literally, it will result to a sentence that means, by any chance, did you see my younger brother? Or we can say that in English, we can translate this as asking, by any chance, have you seen my younger brother? So it's all about asking the possibility of someone seeing your brother. So if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 혹시 내 동생 보았어 is simply asking, by any chance, have you seen my younger brother? And with that, you've just learned 혹시. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 125 to 134. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 135, 혹시. And this is used to inquire or say, perhaps, or by any chance. Word number 134 is 가족, and this is the Korean noun for family. Word number 133 is 아빠, and this is the Korean noun for dad. Word number 132 is 엄마, and this is the Korean noun for mom. Word number 131 is 놀다, and this is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is 아파요, and this is a semi-formal or casual way of saying it hurts. Word number 129 is 잘 자요, and this is a standard or casual way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is 우리. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Word number 127 is 우유, and this is the Korean noun for milk. Word number 126 is 사다. This is another root verb which means to buy. Word number 125 is yoja, and this is the Korean noun for woman. And that's the last for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, out here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.